Find part of a group using unit fractions. Lauren bought 12 stamps for postcards. She gave Brianna 1/6 of them. How many stamps did Lauren give to Brianna? So if we look here, it says step 1, find the total number of stamps. So if we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 stamps. Step 2. Since you want to find 1/6 of the groups, there should be 6 equal groups. Circle one of the groups to show 1/6. So basically what they're saying here is for every 6 stamps, we can circle one of them. So if we look at the first row here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This can be circled. We look at the second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one can be circled. So they put a big circle around both of those. Step 3, find 1/6 of the stamps. How many stamps are in the group of 2 stamps? So Lauren gave Brianna 2 stamps. 1/6 of 12 equals 2. Okay? So if we look here, it says circle the equal groups to solve. Count the number of shapes in each group. 1/4 of 8. So that means for every 1 out of 4, we can circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can circle this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can circle this one. I put them together. I have 2 stars that are circled. So 1/4 of 8 equals 2. Now, another way to look at this is to say, what times 4 equals 8? That's how we can check. It's 2. Come over here and look at number 2. 1/3 of 9. So for every 3, we're going to circle them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If I look at all of my stars, I have 3 stars circled. And let's check. 3 times 3 equals 9. 1/4 of 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We look at all of these. We have 4 diamonds circled. So 1/4 of 16 is 4. And we check by saying 4 times 4 equals 16. 1/6 of 18. So for every 1 out of 6, we're going to circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 diamonds are circled, and we check that by saying 1/6 of 18 is 3, by saying 6 times 3 equals 18. Okay? Doing the same thing on page 120, it says find the part of groups using a unit fraction. Circle the equal groups to solve. Count the number of items in each group. Same idea, 1/4 of 12. So there should be 12 circles here. For every 1 out of 4, we're going to circle it. So we're going to circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 circled here. So 1/4 of 12 equals 3, or 4 times 3 equals 12. I'm going to take a look at number 2. 1/8 of 16. So we should have 16 in total. There should be 8 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 2 circled. So 1/8 of 16 equals 2, or 8 times 2 equals 16. Now, I have 1/3 of 12. Again, we should have a total of 12, and we should have 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I I have 1, 2, 3, 4 circled. 1/3 of 12 equals 4, or 3 times 4 equals 12. I'm going to do one more of these with you, and then I'm going to have you try 5 and 6 alone. Okay, 1/3 of 9. So I should have a total of 9. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I circle these. I have 1, 2, 3 in my group, so 1/3 of 9 equals 3. And we know this because 3 times 3 equals 9. I'd like you to try 5 and 6 by yourself. Let's take a look now at the word problem. It's a little more tricky because there aren't any pictures. Marco drew 24 pictures. He drew 1/6 of them in art class. How many pictures did Marco draw in art class? Well, I don't know about you, but I don't want to draw 24 pictures. So I'm going to set up my problem thinking about our multiplication strategy. 1/6 of 24. So I think to myself, 6 times blank equals 24. What times 6 equals 24? Well, 6 and 6 is 12. Another 6 would be 18. Another 6 would be 24. Oh, I skip counted by 4. So 4 times 6 equals 24. So how many pictures did Marco draw in art class? We would say 4 pictures. Last one. Caroline has 16 marbles. 1/8 of them are blue. How many of Caroline's marbles are blue? So again, we have 1/8, which is 1/8 of 16. We're thinking to ourselves, 8 times what would give me 16? Oops, sorry, I went off the page there. Okay, I'm going to leave that for you to solve as well. Okay, blank are blue. I'm going to have you fill those in, and then I will take a picture and send you guys the answer key for number 5, number 6, and number 8.